In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a picture collage for CapCut videos in your mobile app, whether you're looking to create a captivating introduction or just want to showcase a series of photos in a fun way. CapCut makes the process easy and intuitive. So let's get started with minimal hassle and maximum creativity. Before we begin, make sure your CapCut app is downloaded and updated on your mobile device. This ensures access to the latest features and templates. Once you're ready, go ahead and open the app. As you enter the main screen, your eyes will naturally fall upon the navigation menu at the bottom. Here you'll notice a section labeled Templates. This is your starting point for exploring a wide array of ready-to-use designs geared for presentations like photo collages. With a quick tap on Templates, you're brought to a world full of exciting options. The app offers a rich variety of templates, each designed with different themes and styles to suit any type of project. Now, instead of scrolling through endlessly, simply focus your attention on the search bar located at the top of the screen. This search bar is a powerful tool, allowing you to zero in on exactly what you need. Type in the words collage photo and watch as the app pulls up a selection of collage templates tailored to photo presentations. You'll find a blend of both free and pro options. The pro versions might offer some added flair, but the free options provide plenty of quality to work with, so don't worry if you're not subscribed to any pro features. Take a moment to browse through these selections, noting the design and the number of photos each template can accommodate. Once you've settled on a template that resonates with your vision, tap on it. This action opens up further details about the template, giving you a better look before you dive in. If it still feels like a perfect fit, go ahead and tap Use Template. The next step is where your creativity truly comes into play. You'll need to choose the photos you want to include. Fortunately, CapCut makes this process seamless. Your photo gallery will pop open, allowing you to select the images that will come together in your collage. CapCut automatically aligns these images for you, creating a cohesive visual experience with minimal effort on your part. And just like that, you've crafted a stunning picture collage video using CapCut. Quick, straightforward, and elegantly simple, this method allows you to instantly elevate your next video project. So go ahead and give it a try and enjoy the ease and style CapCut brings to your creative journey.